time here on our Ask the Contractor series where we're talking about siding. We've been getting a lot of calls lately about siding, so we thought this would be a great time to talk about what types of products are available these days. We've come a long way from, your typical vinyl siding. What we're seeing, a lot of people asking us about is something called fiberglass composite siding. We have John here, our contractor. John, can you tell us a little bit about this product line, the fiberglass composite, and what it's all about?
Yeah, we're pretty excited about it. It's a product that came out about a year or two ago, and we've used it on a number of jobs. We actually have a few projects going on this month where we're going to use it's called Ascend. It's made by a company called Allside, and it is a fiberglass composite. Typically, we've been putting vinyl siding up, and Allside makes a vinyl side also. Um, but for a few more dollars, we find that this Ascend product is superior to the vinyl from just a perspective of what it looks like. It looks a heck of a lot like some of the fiber cement board you see out there. It even has a similar profile. It's about 7 inches is the reveal on it. So instead of being 5 inches thick or 4 inches in height, it's 7 inches, just like some of the fiberglass cement board. It's very rigid, so you're not going to get the waviness that you get sometimes in vinyl siding. It also has an R value, um, which is a nice little component of it that can help you with some energy efficiency. It's got a Class A fire rating, so it doesn't easily burn, which hopefully you never have to worry about that. But it's a good feature to have, and it's very resistant to wind, so it's not going to easily just come apart and blow off like sometimes vinyl with a heavy wind could come apart, and you'll have to replace a few pieces.
Yeah, I feel like that's particularly relevant. Remodeling Wizards is located in the Annapolis area, though we serve all the surrounding counties. But a lot of our clients are either on the water or close to the water, and they have a lot of concern about wind. So I know that they have been asking a lot about this product because they want to make sure that their siding is going to withstand strong winds that come in, especially during storms and things like that. What is the price differential between like a typical vinyl siding and this composite siding?
Well, we sell typically well, from the All-Side collection. We have three different sidings that we sell. One is the basic vinyl siding, which is the least expensive, and then we have the Ascend, which is a middle of the road siding, and then the next one up is the Prodigy. Prodigy is still vinyl, but it has an insulating backing on it. Um, but when I'm looking at it, it just seems to make a lot of sense to go ahead and just go with the Ascend because it's a product that's has a very similar insulation value as the Prodigy, but yet doesn't cost as much. But again, it's somewhere in the middle. And if we were to look at vinyl versus the Ascend, you may be spending another, let's say, 20% more in order to get the Ascend. But with some of the features that you get from it, if you're going to make a change anyway, it's well worth it.
That's great. Well, thank you for chatting with us today about this siding product. We're really excited to be able to offer it to our customers. If you have any questions, this again is part of a series that we're running called Ask the Contractor. So if you have a burning question you'd like us to ask John, drop it below. Otherwise, have a great night and we will see you on our next video.